welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm going to show you when you publish a video, if you're a YouTuber, how you find out how many people are coming back, how many of your subscribers are coming to watch this video, and how many of those people who are viewing are actually new people. You are interested in both the returning viewers and more new viewers. I mean, getting new viewers. So this is how we do it. I'm right here on my channel. You log into your channel, and the way you go into analytics, that's where you need to go. In fact, the way you find your videos first. So I start here. Manage videos takes me to my videos, and the videos are all here. I have a specific video that I want to use for this to show you. It's called, because it was called History Repeats Itself, but this is books. Like I read the books, the Cash Flow Quadrant. It's not a popular thing because not many people care about books. So, but just use it to learn this. So once you pick the video you want to analyze, let's assume this was your most recent video. You go to analytics. Anyway, you go to analytics right here on the left, analytics. And I want you to, after you find analytics, go right to the audience tab. If you're on a cell phone, things are showing up a little bit different. Find analytics, find audience. Now, this is all we're going to do. So look at what has happened. You know, this kind of video for me doesn't have so many viewers, and because it's a book, I read the book, but it has something to learn. Because when you go here, YouTube, this is recent, by the way, they are showing the returning viewers in purple and the new viewers in blue. So right now it's showing the return viewers are 31 people who have watched before, and most of these people have actually been here to watch this book. So 31 people came back, and the unique viewers, those are the viewers who watched it one time, because someone can come and watch again. So this unique viewers counts only one time. So if you come again and again and again, it doesn't record you here again. It records you only one time. So that's the total. But this video, I'm concerned with this graph. See this? Remember, YouTube says returning viewers are in purple, new viewers are in blue. Now let's analyze this. So when you go to your channel, please do the same. See how it starts out. When I publish the video, normally when people get the notification, your viewers are likely to come first. So like right here, look at the number that they show up. So when I'm like right here, I start off with the returning viewers are more than the new viewers. You see, I have the returning are 19, the new ones are 16. Now, as you keep moving on this, you see that at some point now, the new viewers are more. The new viewers are 14, the returning viewers are 7. Then I go like right here, same number. Returning viewers and new viewers, same number. And then after that, you look what happens. From that time on forward, the new viewers are more. So if your video behaves like this, that's a good thing, because it's attracting new people to your channel. Now, because the old people, they come, we just publish the video, they watch and go. But now it's starting to show up in maybe search or suggested. So let's analyze it. See, the returning are 0, the new 3. Keep going. At some point it was 0, 0. So keep going. Now, if you look at this graph, it's going up. It's going up. So for the blue, these blue people, the new viewers, is a good thing. That's how your channel grows. So right there, you see the returning, they're just waiting for your new upload. Yeah, they're not there. So the new ones are still coming. You got some 5 there. And then now, oh, the returning came again. There's some came too. And the new ones, 9. So as you keep going, getting more new ones, that's a good thing. That means you are growing. Okay? But if you had like this blue line here, the new viewers is not going up at all, that's not a good thing. Like the way we were here at the beginning. This was like at the beginning. We had, okay, the old viewers, returning viewers are more than the new viewers. If that trend continues, and maybe by the time you get here you have like zeros, that's not a good thing. So this is a fairly okay video with the books, because not many people care about me reading books, but at least some are coming. And I've been studying this channel. I've been seeing that YouTube is actually promoting these videos, those videos when I'm reading books. So these people are coming because YouTube is showing up this video. Maybe the next time I record, I'll show you how the YouTube is showing me that the search and suggested is bringing in new people. But I recorded a video about that a little bit when I showed about where people are coming from to watch your videos. You can watch it in the playlist. This playlist, I call it YouTube Analytics, YouTube Tips 2021. If you find on my channel, YouTube Tips 2021, that's where I recorded a video about that, showing you where people are coming from. But maybe I'll analyze it more soon, again soon. So that's my video today. Go pick a video, go to Analytics here, go to Audience, and look what's happening. Are some people coming back? If you come here and you don't see anyone coming back, maybe it's time to change what you talk about. If no one is coming back, because that means they don't like coming back. They don't like your videos. They see notifications, they don't come. It's important that some people are still coming back, but then it's also important that you attract some new ones. That's how you grow it. So go check it out. You can just click here and keep moving it the way I'm going like this to see at what level these graphs are reading the numbers. Okay, leave a comment for me. What do you think? Was this helpful? This is not all I do. I also have YouTube tips. I do that on Monday. My schedule here is daily. By the way, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I didn't even introduce myself because I was more on this point. I wanted to show you. I'm Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA. And I'm here 7 days a week. Monday, I do YouTube tips like this. Tuesday, Wednesday, I do money tips and business tips. That's when I read those books, The Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. But when we finish that, we'll get to another one. Then on Thursday, I like to drive around. I call it my free day. You can check out the videos when I drive in Virginia, USA. Friday, I come live. We discuss anything and everything that's good to take our lives to the next level. Success habits, time management, stuff like that. Personal development. Those are the recent topics we covered. Saturday, I do earning money online, affiliate marketing tips. Sunday, I do motivation. See, we are busy. So go, please check it out. And also in the corner, right, see the subscribe button. Consider subscribing, sharing it with others. Okay, leave a comment for me. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health. Take steps to better you. Bye-bye.